Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu Learn Tulu Language Online. In the last video, we have learned noun declensions in different cases. In this video, we are going to learn simple present tense in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, I request you to please subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. In Tulu, verbs are conjugated in two different ways in simple present tense. So I have made two groups called class A and class B. Class A verbs are few short verbs which have only two or less syllables, and the verbs which have more than two syllables are Class B verbs. To learn more about this, please visit the website easytulu.com and read the lesson 3 Simple Present Tense. Now let us see how to conjugate the verbs in simple present tense in Tulu. Class A verbs are conjugated by adding pa suffix to the root verb plus pa plus personal ending. And class B verbs are conjugated by adding "u" suffix to the root verbs. Root verb plus "u" plus personal ending. The personal endings will change depending on the person, gender, number, and tense. So let us learn the personal ending in the present tense first. First person singular an means I. Personal ending is a. First person plural nama and enkulu means we. Personal ending is a. Originally O, but it is changed to A in spoken Tulu. Second person singular E means you. Personal ending is A. Second person plural Ir and Nikolo means you. Personal ending is R. Third person masculine singular Imbe and I means he. Personal ending is A. Third person feminine singular Molu and Al means she. Personal ending is al. Third person masculine or feminine plural. Mokulu, Akulu, Mer, Ar. Personal ending is er. Third person neuter singular. Undu and au. Personal ending is undu. Third person neuter singular. Nekulu and aikulu. Personal ending is a. Now let us try to conjugate the verbs po and malpo in simple present tense. Po belongs to class A group and malpo belongs to class B group. Po means go. As this is a class A verb, we have to add the suffix pa before personal ending. So it is po plus p plus endings. The ending for yan is a. So it will be po plus p plus a is equal to po pa means I go. I hope it was not difficult. Yan po pa means I go. In the same way, the ending for E is a. So we have to add po plus p plus a is equal to po pa means you go. The same way, I or imbe po pe he goes. Alu or molu po pal she goes. Au or undu po pundu it goes. Nama or enkulu po pa we go. Iru or nikulu po par you go. Akulu or mukulu or aru or mer po per they go. Undekulu or aikulu po pa they go. And malpu means do. So it belongs to class B group. So we have to add the suffix u before personal ending. Malpu plus u plus endings. The ending for yan is a. So it will be malpu plus u plus a. Malpu va means I do. Yan malpuva I do. The same way, e malpuva you do. I or Imbe Malpuve, he does. Al or Mol Malpuval, she does. Au or Undu Malpundu, it does. Nama or Inkulu Malpuva, we do. Iru or Nikulu Malpuvar, you do. Akulu or Mokulu or Ar or Mer Malpuver, they do. Undekulu or Aikulu Malpuva, they do. Let us see another two examples. Ra and Buru. Ra means fly and Buru means fall. Ra belongs to class A group and Buru belongs to class B group. We have to add a suffix pu to the root verb ra before adding personal endings. Ra plus pu plus endings. The ending for yana is a. So it will be ra plus pu plus a. Ra pa means I fly. Yan ra pa, I fly. The same way, e ra pa, you fly. I or imbe ra pe, he flies. Al or molu rapal, she flies. Au or undu rapundu, it flies. Nama or enkulo rapa, we fly. Ir or nikolo rapar, you fly. Akulu or mokulu or ar or mer rapir, they fly. Undikulu or aikulu rapa, they fly. So in the same way, we have to add the suffix u to the root verb boru before adding personal endings. Buru plus u plus endings. The ending for an is a. So it will be Buru plus u plus a. Buru va means I fall. Yana buru va, I fall. The same way, e buruva, you fall. I or imbe buruve, he falls. Al or molu, buruval, she falls. Au or undu, burundu, it falls. Nama or inkulo, buruva, we fall. Iru or nikulu, buruvar, you fall. Akulu or mukulu or aru or meru, buruver, they fall. Ulikulu or aikulu, buruva, they fall. Okay, now let us see few example sentences in simple present tense. Yanu salegu pope. I go to school. E salegu popa. You go to school. Aye salegu pope. He goes to school. Molu saleg popal. She goes to school. Enkulu dinola paper oduva. We read newspaper daily. Iru varagunji kate barepar. You write one story every week. Akulu tingalgu ora illade barper. They come home once a month. Nai dinola ratre korepundu. Dog barks at night daily. Nailu dinola ratre korepua. Dogs bark at night daily. Yanu enna bike nu prati aitara dekkuve. I wash my bike every Sunday. Nama dinola kande meepa. We take bath every morning. Aye dinola bayagu gobbuve. He plays every day in the evening. Surya moda idu puttundu, padda idu murkundu. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Petta peru korpundu. Cow gives milk. Akashudu pakkilu rapa. Birds fly in the sky. Akulu dinola kandudu ben per. They work in the field daily. Alu epola satya patirval. She always speaks truth. ఈ దినాల కాండే చా పర్ప. You drink tea every morning. ಎಂಕುಲು ದಿನಕ್ಕೂ ರಡ್ಡು ಪೊರ್ತು ಉಣ್ಪ. We eat 2 times a day. In Tulu, simple present tense also used for future tense to talk about prior plans, strong intentions, fixed arrangements, and to make promises or threats. Examples: ಯಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ಪೋಪೆ. I will go home tomorrow. ಯಾನ್ ಐತಾರ ನಿಕ್ಕು ತಿಕ್ಕುವೆ. I will meet you on Sunday. ರಾಜೇಶ್ 2 ಗಂಟೆಡು ಪಿರ ಬರ್ಪೆ. Rajesh will return in 2 hours. ಯಾನ್ ಬಯ್ಯ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಿಘಂಟು ಬರ್ಪೆ. I will definitely come at 5 o'clock in the evening. ಮಾತಲ ಸಮ ಆಪುಂಡು. Everything will be fine. ಯಾನ್ ನಿಕ್ಕು ಕಾಪುವೆ. I will wait for you. ಈ ಎನನು ಮದಪುವ. You will forget me. Okay, that's all for the day. In next video we will learn negative and interrogative in simple present tense. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.